It was a Tuesday, I remember. I'll never forget, it was a Tuesday. The first vaccine was given to the first Westerner. And her name was Margaret Keenan, and she lived in England. Where does she live in England? Surrey, Sussex, somewhere like that. I don't remember exactly where. She's Northern Irish, but she lived in England. And I woke up, after hearing the news, I woke up at 3 o'clock in the morning, and I wrote this song down really fast. And then, later on that day, I worked it out, and then the day after, later on that day, I videoed it on my own little thing, and I put it up on YouTube, right? And about a week went by, and I got this notification that there was a comment on the video up on YouTube. So I went online, and I looked at it, and it said, "My mom loves the song." And it was from a guy named Philip Keenan, and it was Margaret Keenan's son. I love it when that sort of thing happens. So this is a very short song. What's it called? It's called, I think it's just called Margaret Keenan. Yeah, it's really short. Gotta get the groove right. There's no time to fuck it up, because it's like 2.5 verses, you know? Now, she's in England and I'm in Seattle, and that's about 6,000 miles, right? So, you know. But when Margaret Keenan took the first vaccine, I was 6,000 miles away. Invisible danger in the wind-blown weather of an otherwise typical Tuesday. Governor's orders on the home front. No movies, bars, no restaurants. Masks and shields 6 feet apart. Everybody has to do their part. Margaret Keenan was 90 years old when she rolled up her sleeve. Now this won't hurt, I know it won't. And she began to breathe. We all breathed with her, all of us at once. We didn't know we'd been holding our breath for 9 long months. Margaret Keenan is from Enniskillen, up in Ireland's Isle. If I can do it, so can you, she said it with a smile. If I can do it, so can you, she said it with a smile.